Hi everyone, welcome back to Mom with the Stars. You probably wondering why recently most of my clips are me being woke up super early in the morning and learn to run again. The answer is because why not? Well, actually, I just want to record my progress or my journey of me trying to bring my stamina back. Morning! And someone said that health comes first, losing weight is just a bonus. Is it right? And at the same time, running, jogging, or even walking for 2 hours straight has became my kind of me time, to be honest. And just because being stay-home wife and mother demanding me to have a good stamina, not only for my body health but also for my mental health, and deciding to make time to exercise, to be a wife and a mother, or even still want to pursuing my career, pursuing my dream, working as a freelance, in order to support our family financial. Yes, I need to be healthy, I need to be strong, and also to be sane at the same time.
On the orange one now. Push it right here. And
Put enough glue so all of the paper will not fall off.
hey, too much glue.
Yeah.
And stick it down here.
The flowers. Finish?
Nope.
How about this one?
Of course. Thank you.
And look at the view. It feels so nice and so calm, and also great and grateful at the same time, because exercising in the middle of the city, big city, but still I can still enjoy the beautiful view, the sunrise, and mostly early in the morning you can hear the birds chirping beautifully. Here, Shatsi.
Yeah.
Oh, and yes, I took my daughter to see and to visit the place that Mama always go early in the morning. I'm glad I took her, because she can experience different things, different point of view too. And we walked around the stadium for probably for 3 times, and yeah, it's nice. And the most important thing was we had a breakfast on a bench. I think I would like to bring my daughter back here again, and it's going to be absolutely great idea. But first thing first, I need to buy her a proper shoes first. And also looking for a good weather, because recently the weather is a little bit unfriendly. Mostly every morning it's raining. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Wishing you have a fantastic day, and see you in my next video. Be kind, everyone. Cheers.